Look at that. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. So recently, Mr. Nola's Glitter acquired some new products that they're selling on their website, and I saw these and wanted to give them a try. These are Pearl-X micas, Pearl-X powders, and they have a whole mess of them. I will link to everything below. But among the lots they have were 5 interference colors, and that's what I chose to get because I just wanted to see how they look. So we have interference green, interference gold, interference violet, interference blue, and interference red. So we don't quite have the rainbow. We can sort of go in that direction. So if I put the red first, so we've got red, gold, green, blue, and violet. I have a 20-ounce skinny straight tumbler. I spray painted it black after I sanded it and washed it. And then I put 2 layers of Aleene's Tack It over and over on it. I mixed this with water, about half and half, and they have dried, so now they're ready to receive some mica powder. I'm going to do what I often do in this situation, which is just sort of do a swatch on a cup, and we'll see what they look like, because it's the black background that brings out the true color. Okay, so we have our red, our gold, our green, our blue, and our violet. We have our fluffy brush. Let's just see what happens. This is the red. I'm going to go back over this and fill in. Okay. Now I have all of these colors sitting here in powder all over the place, so I'm just going to use all of that on the bottom. Little burnishing action. Cool. I'm not sure what color that is on the bottom. That's if you mix all 5 of these together. That's what you get. All right. I'm going to put a layer of resin on this, and I'll meet you back here to go on to the next step. Stay tuned. And we're back. Okay, here's something I want to do next. I have this gorgeous special materials sticky sheet from Mr. Nola's Glitter. I think it's supposed to be waves, generally speaking. It's a beautiful design, and the reason it's special is because it's printed on chrome, so the whole thing is opaque, and I want to use part of it. So I'm going to do something you've seen me do before, and if you don't remember seeing this before, I'll link to it below. But I am going to basically fussy cut. Now, I want to address something that came up the last time I did this. The last time it was from different colored rose blooms that were all scrunched together, and I cut at the top, and then when I wrapped it around the cup, I just cut a straight seam where they met up. A few people asked why I didn't cut down the sides so that I would have a perfect match. But this is a 12 by 12 sheet, and it's not printed so that it will be seamless for a 20-ounce skinny straight, which is approximately, I think, like 9 something inches around. So, you know, it's not going to work. That's all I can tell you. It doesn't fit the way you might think it does. And I'm totally fine with a straight seam. It's a lot easier, frankly. What am I going to put it on? Well, you already know, but this is how this now looks underneath resin. It's very pretty. These are our interference micas. I want the center to be the purple and the blue, which means that I want the seam to be back here. Okay. So here's what we have so far. Love it. It's not exactly the straightest seam I've ever done, but I'm not going to worry about it. And I think the blue makes sense. All right. I want to stick a decal on here. And I've cut this on my Nito printable vinyl. I will link to this artwork below. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Now I think I'm also going to use another one of these turtles to, kind of hide that. Cut some out in different sizes. I don't know if that helps or draws more attention, but... And then on the bottom... But I think that's beautiful. Okay, so I have a lot of vinyl on here of different types and nail tape. So I think what I'm probably going to do is put this on a turner and cover the whole thing with a layer of Counterculture DIY's Quick Coat, their urethane sealer. That will seal everything on so it doesn't lift. I'll put a layer of resin on it. I'm going to mix some 504 glitter from Mr. Nola's Glitter. It's a semi-translucent opal iridescent superfine, or I guess ultrafine technically. So the next time you see this, should be out in the sunshine.